How to remove mosaic from pictures. Let me show you 2 super easy ways. Method 1. HitPaw FotorPea for PC. If you are a PC user, this method is suitable. So step 1, we need to have HitPaw FotorPea on your desktop. I will put the official link in the description. Step 2, click on Enhance Photos now. Then go to the editor. Switch to the AI canvas. Drag and drop your blurry image inside. Take this image for example. It is way too mosaic. Step 3, select the image and choose Chat. Then simply describe how you want to modify the image. Here, I am asking it to make the portrait image clear and remove the mosaic while maintaining the original appearance. Then click on Generate. After a few seconds, the mosaic is removed perfectly. If you want, you may further click on the AI Upscale button to enhance it to 4K plus resolution. This will make your image outstanding with awesome details. Method 2. AI Marvels for Mobile. This method is suitable for iOS and Android device users. The official access link can be found in the description. We can simply go to the AI Lab and tap the first card to import your blurry image. Again, we are using the pixelated portrait image for instance. Then ask it to remove mosaic and make it clear like this. Just describe how you want the image to be modified. You may change other AI image models as well, or just leave it as default. Then tap Submit. And seconds later, we have a completely new and clear image with good details and quality. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.